Good morning. The persons with the disabilities, while attending examinations, they must be provided with a scribe as well as extension of time for to write the examination. And this procedures sometimes followed by some authorities, sometimes was not followed by some other authorities. Therefore, the 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 Supreme Court has now issued uniform direction in AR 2025 Supreme Court 1065, AR 2025 Supreme Court 1063, AR 2025 Supreme Court 1063, Gulshan Kumar was Institute of Banking, Personal Selection and others. In this case, Justice Mahadevan, by his doctrinal and non-doctrinal experience, has formulated several guidelines directing authorities how to frame new guidelines. This the legislations and politicians who should concentrate on these issues since they are sleeping. This judiciary is now come forward to get remedy for this physically disabled, that means persons with disabilities, to write examinations. So kindly go through the entirety of judgment. This will definitely help you to, because this boy who approached by public interest litigation was suffering from focal hand dystonia. So he will have writing cramp. He cannot properly write, and he also suffering from chronic neurological conditions. Therefore, 25% disability. He was properly not extended with facilities. Therefore, much directions were given. Kindly go through this. Then another question arises. I am very constrained to state that the present the High Court registry staff are indifferently behaving time to time. A multi number of bribe systems is prevailing, and particularly in original side where intellectual property suits and commercial suits are filed, the consideration is being collected by APTA. In Hindi, Maharashtra, they say APTA. When police collect mamul from shop owners and others, that is called APTA. Here is also the very same APTA is being collected from known former advocates. Number one. Number two, much of disobedience is also exhibited. When division bench has given direction to post one particular case before the master, deliberately that was not posted, and when the master has told to lodge a complaint, so I do not want to lodge a complaint, therefore I approached the division bench and got extension of time. Thereafter that was again forwarded to master court for trial. Then again the master has, after recording the evidence within stipulated time, forwarded the matter to Justice Dr. Jayachandran J. And he, when the other side filed two applications rejecting it, redirected to post before the master court, and deliberately very same staff did not post it. That about 2 months are already been over. Then when we have filed an application for extension of time, that clerk has stated that he is confused whether it should be posted before master or before the court. Such a nonsense objection. The honorable court only given time, that was lapsed. Therefore, it is the duty of the court to extend. This simple logic is not available with that particular clerk, and joint deputy registrar and also other supervising authorities are sleeping over the issues. And now they say the concerned clerk is on leave. Suppose he dies, suppose he eloped with somebody and now absconding, what will do? What all these nonsense are? Huh? Leave this alone. Another aspect is when I sought a permission of the court to post the matter on GWOP, which has got much importance. 2 more weeks were already been lapsed. The court is not in a position to collect the bundle because the bundle collecting OS are very busy with collecting something from outside the outskirts of the High Court premises. All nonsense are going on, and this is my experience. And somebody, astonishingly, juniors are reporting that some of the bail applications are immediately numbered, some of the bail applications are not numbered for weeks. I do not know what is happening. The problem was the registrar vigilance is ministers without portfolio. He is sleeping over the issues. And that apart, one more thing is that before all metropolitan court, for executing sureties and handing over the release warrant to the jail authorities, staffs are collecting 3,000 rupees. And regularly, and this is happening, and nobody is preventing this. If you are not supposed to clean your house, there is no, there will not be any respect if you question others. Kindly, advocates, office bearers, those who are watching this media, my communication must concentrate on this. I have recorded multi-number of issues, but I do not want to indulge in the spoiling the career of individual. Therefore, this communication only will rectify and restore our High Court registry be properly functioning. Best wishes.